How to make sure your fast divorce is approved by the court. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're filing for divorce, the last thing you want is to have your paperwork rejected by the court, which can cause months of delays. Let's go over how to get your fast divorce approved the first time. Step 1. File and serve your divorce papers correctly. Complete the petition FL100 and summons FL110 with no errors. Even small mistakes can lead to court rejections. Have your spouse properly served and file the proof of service, FL115, as soon as possible. If your spouse is cooperative, they can sign a notice of acknowledgement of receipt to make service even easier. Step 2. Make sure your settlement agreement is clear. If you and your spouse agree on property, debt, custody, and support, file a marital settlement agreement to avoid court hearings. Clearly outline who gets what. Vague agreements can be rejected by the judge. Double-check financial disclosures, FL140, FL150, to ensure transparency and avoid delays. Step 3. Submit a complete and error-free judgment package. File your final judgment package, FL180, FL190, with all required attachments. Make sure child support calculations are included if applicable. Courts will reject incomplete agreements. If you're filing a default divorce, ensure the paperwork matches exactly what was requested in the petition. For example, we worked with a couple who tried filing on their own, but had their judgment rejected twice for missing forms. We fixed the issues, resubmitted their paperwork, and got it approved within 1 week. Even if your paperwork is approved immediately, California law requires a mandatory 6-month waiting period before your divorce is final. At Divorce 661, we make it easy. We prepare and file all required paperwork correctly the first time. Flat fee pricing, no expensive attorney fees. 100% remote service, finalize your divorce from home. If you want to avoid delays and get your divorce approved quickly, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll make sure your paperwork is court approved without rejections or mistakes.